time, paano ka ba kayo?
Ako medyo
boyfriend,
effort niya sa'yo.
Siyempre naman. Before I even accepted the role, sinabi ko na, hindi sa paalam, pero sinabi ko, like, I'm gonna be doing this and everything. And he's been very understanding. And with...
Seloso yung boyfriend mo, di ba?
Oo. Hindi.
Possessive yun.
Yung pa-cute na seloso lang. Hindi yung nakakatakot. Pero ayun, as far as preparation goes for those scenes, actually, parang pinag-usapan namin tatlo, ni Direk Gino and ni Derek. We were very collaborative on everything, and sinasabi ni Direk, okay, ito yung blocking nyo, so anong gagawin nyo? And I really appreciated that, na tinatanong kami, anong gagawin nyo? So, you know, it helped us in a way kasi we got to work around what we were comfortable with also. So, ayun, nag-usap-usap kami, and we talk about it so much na kailangan one take talaga. Kailangan todo bigay na talaga para hindi na kami aabot sa take 2. And true enough, hindi kami umaabot sa take 2 sa mga scenes na yun. So, ayun, I guess the key is to prepare less, but to discuss about it more. To just, to not, you know, actually, you know, do take 1, take 2, take 3. Yung, i-rehearse mo ng kasama yung director and yung kasama mo sa eksena, just so it's clear to everybody what's supposed to happen.
Ganda explanation.
Wala akong mag-take to.